I'm going to show my digital campaign for the athletic shoe brand Comfort Plus. The goal is to offer quality sneakers at affordable price. We are designed for who love and pursue sports style life. We champion professional trainers that want better performance, or fitness enthusiasts who pursue quality, or even who just pursue simplicity and comfort. And the big idea is root is underfoot. It has 3 meanings, and the idea delivers a positive attitude to our target audience. The road doesn't only mean the runway, also means the path to one's dream. Our target audience ranges from 18 to 40, the young and middle-aged people in Michigan, or who love sports style life, or who put comfort and effectiveness as a priority. These are the goals that our company wants to reach. It includes like revenue, brand awareness, and brand sentiment. And the KPIs are easy to measure the success. For the social media strategy, we want to create posts to gathering inspirational stories in life, mostly related to sports topic. Or we can create some meaningful videos that make resonant with our target audience, or that can raise their interests in knowing more about our brand. In addition, we also can post some images related to sports in daily life, especially the interesting or excellent moment captured by the camera. We use both PPC and CPM advertising on social platforms. We intend to use paid media to offer content that they are interested in, such as create a dedicated landing page for the searching result, designing images promoted posts on Facebook by pre-roll advertisement on YouTube. The inbound strategy includes 3 aspects: the keyword and topic idea, and the content offer. Those are the ideas for our topic. And for the keywords, it includes many, such as best sports shoes brand, comfortable sports shoe, high quality sports shoe, how to increase performance in sports, how should sports shoes fit. Also, the content offer. The download is a free fitness video. We want to provide customers with gifts when they sign up. For our brands, we can offer some free fitness video for them. Basically, the pillar contents are some great ideas and concepts that we want to deliver. The first 2, we are all champions and reach your dream. They build the confidence of the target audience, and the excellent moment here, it encourages audience to share their pictures in lives. These contents make the audiences involved in our campaign. Also, there are micro content, such as interview a patient, or interview disabled person, transgender, people living in poor area, such as that. Through our evaluation, Facebook and YouTube is paid media as that paid media advertising that works the best. So we plan to spend more on YouTube and Facebook. Also, the second and third quarters are the peak seasons for outdoor sports, so consumers are more likely to buy sports shoes in these 2 seasons. Therefore, the budget for these 2 quarters exceed the cold season. So here are things to remember. We are at the starting line. Analyzing the statistics of athletic footwear, we can understand what does customers need. The key of the campaign is attracting target audience at the right time by making them interested, solving their problems with inbound strategy.